How to add a debit or credit card on TEMU. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about adding a debit or credit card on your TEMU account. So now let's get started. First of all, you need to make sure that you've installed the latest version of TEMU application on your mobile device and it's also updated to its latest version. After you launch the app, log into your specific account where you want to add a debit or credit card. After that, tap on the U icon from the bottom that is between categories and card option. Once you tap on it, tap on the settings icon in the top right of the screen. Then tap on your payment methods. You will see the initial option in this page. Here you will see the option of add a credit or debit card that is highlighted in orange color. Tap on it. Now you have to enter the correct form of your card number in the first field, followed by the expiration date in the second field, and then after enter the CVV code that is usually 3 to 4 digits. Once you're done, tap on Add Your Card option that is highlighted in orange color and you'll be done. So that's all there is to it. This is exactly how you can add your payment methods on TEMU. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.